So all my knocks, victories are all for the public. And Lil J is this girl who's private. Hi, I'm Jemimah Rodrigues, the all-rounder for the Indian women's cricket team. So I have two personalities, I think. Jemimah Rodrigues on the field is very different. She's in a zone. Lil J is this girl from Bandra. She loves having fun. So Lil J comes out only with my girl tribe. Yeah, obviously it's not for the public to see, it's just for them because they are the ones I feel safe around. Our WhatsApp group is always buzzing. You know, life career choices se leke, my first date outfit. I'm quite impulsive that way. End to cut it full. So any random stranger also come on the road and I'll just give them the phone like, can you please record this? In fact, WhatsApp का chat log feature आया है, तो मैं किसी को भी बेफिक्र phone देती हूँ. Hello boss, can you please record my reel? I know मेरा phone इधर उधर जाते रहता है, but मेरे girl gang के chats won't go anywhere because now they're locked under my fingerprint. Oh, sorry.